Alex Murdaugh was a well-known and well-off attorney in a small county in South Carolina, Hampton County. And but investigators said he had a secret. He was stealing from his clients and from his law firm. So they said that once his scheme was about to be found out, he needed to find some time to kind of cover up his crimes. So what he did to gain sympathy is he killed his wife and his son, shot him to death at their home. Alex Murdaugh has completely denied doing that. He testified in his own defense on the stand at his double murder trial, but he was still convicted of murder. He's been sentenced to life in prison without parole. He's appealing his murder conviction, saying that the clerk of court tampered with his jury by convincing them that they needed to convict Alex Murdaugh, and also by denying smoke breaks and things of that nature. Alex Murdaugh is getting ready to plead guilty in federal court to a different slate of crimes, to their financial crimes. They're the stealing from the clients and stealing from the law firm. The thing about that is it'll be the first time he stands up in court and admits to something. And so when he gets sentenced for that, which will likely be years, if not decades in prison, that will assure he stays in prison even if the murder sentence that he's appealing gets overturned. What makes this case so complicated is, for one thing, there's so many different victims that got stolen money from, and plus it's just a story of kind of Southern justice. I mean, there's this guy whose family were prosecutors for generations, and they're the biggest law firm in Hampton County, so they ran the county's law. And so, you know, he's accused of doing all these things, and like I said, there are dozens of victims, and he did this for decades. So it's this very complicated Southern tale. There's murder, there's theft, there's drug use. It's just a very complicated thing.